this video I do basic animatronics. Basically got some 3D printed parts. I'll put a link below how you can get these, and some cheap servos. These are off Amazon, they're £1 each. You need 5 of those minimum. Again, I'll put a link below, and I'll also put a link for a complete detailed build on this. So I just quickly went on Bambu Studio. There's plenty of different files like this on here, but this is the one I use, and there's the build plate. So I sent that to print. Right, so it's not perfect like everything else I make, but there is basic operation. I'm only actually using a servo driver at the moment. I've not got a control board wired in. You can hear the servo reach its max. So that's basically it. Something for a laugh. Ain't one.